Hello. So I did my flyer on my program, which is the Human Service Associate Program. So you'll see here, I have a picture of an actual graduate. I got that off the AC website, and that's in our classroom. And then this picture I took off of the internet. It's just random people, but because I wasn't able to get a picture of any actual graduates recently. But that would be normal people, assuming like real people, if that were possible. So, one of the main things when you go to the website is that it says, are you interested in helping others? That's the one thing that they're always asking us. So, I made sure to put that directly underneath. Um, at the very bottom, I put Annette Clark, Program Director, her phone number, and if you have any questions, I just wanted to make sure that that was on there in general and make sure the whole thing was covered. And then a couple things that we learned. So we're going to learn counseling and interviewing skills. We're going to learn crisis intervention. We do actually take a mental health first aid class, and then we learn case management for keeping everything all together. The career fields that you can go into after graduation are addictions, mental health, older adult services, recreational therapy, so like sit down, talk to a therapist kind of thing, human resources, children and youth services, and wellness. So that is my entire flyer. I tried to keep it short and simple. Um, Nothing too crazy or different, just nice and simple. All the important information in there. Thank you.